Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you about phrases and words which are written the same but have totally different meanings. So pay attention and let's start. Two phrases. Я плачу, я плачу. Here we can see totally the same spelling, but there are different stresses and thus different meanings. The next ones are two nouns in plural form. Кружки, кружки. Here we can see the same situation with stress. Замок, замок. Виски, виски. Хлопок, хлопок. Мало, мало. Этого мало. Это платье мне мало. But don't forget that the word мало will change by gender. So when you use feminine noun, you have to say мала. For example, эта юбка мне мала. Мал if you use masculine noun. Этот пиджак мне мал. And малы if it's plural. Эти вещи мне малы. Attention! There are two verbs where the forms of imperfective and perfective are totally the same in spelling, but have absolutely different meanings. Писать, написать, писать, написать. Please be careful before you say something. It can be weird, but funny. And in conclusion, I will give a few more examples. Look, look. Here we can see how the hard L and soft L affect meaning. Бар, пар, voiced B and unvoiced P. Угол, уголь, hard L and soft L. And in conclusion, I will give a few more examples. Да что ж такое-то? Хватит чесаться, блохастый кот. Сколько можно лизаться? Иди отсюда. Слабая женщина говорит, во всем виноват мужик. Сильная женщина еще и наказывает. That's it for today. If you have examples of pairs of words similar in spelling but different in meanings, then write them below this video.